Tingnan natin na si Alden. Sa likod ako ni Director Lamangan. Yan. Woohoo!
Dala po, kami na lang sila anak.
Dala po kami.
Sister po.
Lang sir, pangin.
Ayan sila.
Hello.
Thank you. Hello.
Hello. Ayan.
Yan ang mga ano ba yun?
We are so honored and privileged to have with us the stars of Hello Love Goodbye. Again! Sorry! And everybody here are all our neighbors. 90%! Lahat yan taga-BRC, kaya hindi mo disente, no? Anyway, thank you very much.
I thought it's just for Inang. Tapos, ngayon ko lang nalaman it's for the Vista Real pala. Maraming salamat naman. We appreciate it. Lalo na you're doing this for a cause. So, nag-enjoy na kayo makakatulong
Mga kapitbahay namin. Ayan.
And alam ko, kilala niyo si Inang as your neighbor, but she is really
Kapitbahay namin si Director Lamangan.
Sobra-sobra yung tulong ni Inan sa amin dito sa mapapanood niyo po ngayon. Walang joy at Marie kung wala yung tulong ni Inan. Grabe yung guidance niya sa amin sa pelikula na to. Of course, together with Derek Cathy and Pillow Star Cinema. So, and Jimmy Pictures. So we hope you enjoyed the movie and please help us promote it as well. Today is our first day, so umiikot po kami since kanina umaga. Just to personally 25 today.
25 plus screening.
More to go after today. And we feel the support, every time pumunta kami kasi syempre yung iba nag-iipon sila para dito and kayo nag-gather lahat to make this happen. And we really appreciate the support. Ang daming mga first time also na hindi naman namin fans. So thank you for showing your support sa movie. Wala yung director namin dito.
So, number one fan, no?
Also ni Inang. But on behalf of Derek Cathy and the team, we appreciate all the support. Enjoy the movie!
I love you!
We'd like to thank Inang for this black screening. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Lahat po ba kayo first time manonood?
Yes!
So, narinig niyo na po ang inyong mga sarili. Second time po kayo, ma'am, alright? And second time rin din. So, we're also very happy that this is gonna be for us also for the Holy Family Parish. And thank you so much for all the support and thank you for gathering here today to witness, of course, yung film po na pinaghirapan po namin kasama ni Inang. So sana po mag-enjoy kayo. Ihandaan niyo na po ang inyong mga puso at isipan sa inyong mga mapapanood at let's just enjoy the film. Maraming salamat po.